Today we will learn in this Photoshop tutorials how to create 3D pop-out Instagram post effect. Choose image which you want to use. Now resize image. Decrease the opacity of image. Adjust the position of image for 3D pop-out best view. Move image to 3D pop-out post folder. Duplicate the image. Select subject which looks like pop-out from post. Follow the process. Click on mask icon. Create clipping mask by holding Alt key and select the layer which you want to clip. Apply solid color for background. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.